Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing with you guys my new shoes. I don't really do a lot of luxury unboxing because I haven't really brought anything luxury in a very long time. So these shoes are very exciting for me. I went ahead and splurged and just got myself a little present. So that is what these shoes are. But let's just hop into this video. I have been stalking these shoes for a while. I think I first saw them on like Pinterest. I was very interested in Birkenstocks and clogs and shoes like that, so I went on a hunt trying on Birkenstocks. First of all, Birkenstocks are very uncomfortable. People be like, you gotta break them in, you gotta break them in. I'm not trying to do all that. When I went to the store and tried them on, they were very uncomfortable, and I was like, I can't even do the little breaking in period because, as you guys know, I am a hairstylist and my feet just can't take uncomfortable shoes. Like, no, it's over. My feet will hurt very, very bad. So I tried the Birkenstocks, they didn't work, and they were very expensive and not that cute. I first was looking them up on a Coach website and I was eyeing them, and it was very hard for me to make this purchase because I just don't be wanting to spend that much money. As you guys know from my try on hauls, I love to get good items at a lower rate. I was like, I wonder if they're gonna go on sale. I'm waiting on a coupon, something, but I just prayed about it and I was like, let me just go ahead, treat myself, and make the purchase. But by the time I was ready to make the purchase, my size was sold out, or what I thought was my size was sold out on Coach's website. That was pretty sad. But then I saw that my local Dillard's finally got these shoes back in stock, so I ran over there, okay? So this is my Dillard's bag right here. These shoes are $150. Plus tax, it came up to $162, I believe. And these are the Coach Hadley slippers in the signature textile jacquard. It's in the cocoa burnished amber color. They are slip-on with the EVA outsole and a man-made leather lining footbed. Okay, so the shoe is lined with leather. Online, one thing that worried me, that's why I'm making this video, because there was not a lot of videos discussing the size. One girl had a video and I really did appreciate her video, but people in the comments were saying that they run small, so it's best to size up. So I was literally going to get a size 9 and that would have been way too big. So let me just tell you firsthand that to me these shoes run a little bit bigger in my case, because I usually wear a size 8 and I got a size 7 in these shoes because the 8 had too much shoe hanging off the back of my foot. Okay, these fit me just right, as you're going to see in the little clips. But this is my box, very sturdy box. Love this box, will be keeping this box. And these were so brand new back in stock, they weren't even on the Dillard's floor. I literally called and had these shoes set aside for me because I was like, I'm gonna need these and I don't want nobody else to get them. Okay, so of course it has the Coach tissue paper, nice and wrapped up. I will be reusing that. Okay, and here are my little shoes. Let me take them out one at a time. I have not worn these yet. I only tried them on, so they still are pretty clean, but let me come a little closer. This is the shoe. Now, one thing I love about this shoe is that it makes my foot look so small. Of course, I did get a 7, but it really does make your foot look small. It has this gold Coach emblem right here. Love it. And the jacquard is in like their little light brown shade. I have this Coach purse right here, and as you can see the difference, like this is their light brown leather color because there is a leather darker than this. So the shoe is a real light color. I will not be wearing these in the rain or the mud. I'm not trying to get these messed up at all. This is like a coated leather and this is material, so you definitely want to be careful with it. And this bottom is like a hard foam and it has ribbing at the bottom. This is a size 7 and it's stated like that on the shoe. Let me take the paper out. As you can see, it has Coach right here and it is leather all right here. So if your foot sweats a lot, maybe put some powder or wear socks with it because your foot will be sliding around a little bit if you sweat, because this is leather and none of it is, they didn't put any like slip resistant stuff right here. So in the inside it just says US 7 made in Vietnam Coach, and they're just so cute, so cute. When it comes to the different sizes, to me, like I said, it runs big. The only part that starts to get a little bit tighter is in this area right here. So this, you will feel a little bit of firmness, but these are slippers. It's not squeezing my toes, but like around the top of the foot, so my foot won't slip out of these, because like I said, I am in Louisiana. I'm not gonna be wearing these like too much in the summer where my feet could sweat in them, but I feel like the tightness around this part right here is keeping my foot in place. So I do love that about the shoe. And in this review, I'm telling you a little bit of everything. So to me, like the front part right here can be a little bit slippery, like depending on the type of floor you're walking on. And I'm somebody, I wear Crocs, platform Crocs all the time, so I'm just a little clumsy in those Crocs anyway. I be tripping. I don't think these are as bad, but this does have a little platform on them, which I love. Like I said, I'm on my feet all the time, so I love a good platform shoe. I love a platform heel, is what's most comfortable for me. So I love that these are not flat on the ground. As you can see, they are very lightweight. Like I could throw these shoes, they're perfect to pack, they're perfect for vacation because they're not taking up too much room. You can probably just throw these in a little dust bag or something. I would definitely keep these in a dust bag. I don't want to get anything on the canvas of it. But yeah, I literally wish these shoes came in their darker brown color and then their blue jean color. They actually do have some mules that are in a blue jean color. I'm gonna put them right here, but they're for men, but I don't care. I'll just get my size in a men's because those are very cute. But I'm so happy I purchased these. They are definitely worth the money. Let me put them on my feet so I can describe them. They're worth the money. They go so well with everything and they feel really good on the feet. I know a lot of people say, oh, they're comfortable, they're comfortable. Like, they feel nothing like Birkenstocks. They are very comfortable. And I was a little put off when I saw that the footbed was leather, but even that's comfortable. Like, they look so good with jeans and they're not too soft. They are a little bit on the firmer side, so they're not soft and bendable. When I saw the word slipper, I was a little worried and not knowing what to expect. Like, I didn't know if I was going to be able to wear them outside, but they're perfect for outside. It's fine. Just be a little bit cautious of the front of the shoe, because the bottom of the front of the shoe, because like I said, on certain materials it is a little bit slippery, but basically just watch your step. Okay, these are also perfect to wear with like a thin sock. I wouldn't do it with a super thick sock unless you go ahead and size up, because to me they are a pretty exact fit. And also this part right here is pretty firm. Okay, it's kind of hard right here, but it doesn't irritate the skin because it is also lined in leather, so it's not a problem. Like, this is not going to bend. Basically, you have to push it down hard for it to bend. It is pretty firm. I haven't worn these for an extended period of time yet, so I am going out of town this weekend and I'm going to be packing these shoes and we're going to do a little bit of a wear test. I'm going to come back and tell you guys how these shoes felt on feet, how was it walking around in them. I'm going to a graduation, so we're really going to be able to see how they feel. So far, I'm loving them. I'm so glad I got them. They are comfortable enough and they are so cute. So let me go ahead, wear them this weekend. I'm gonna come back and give you guys a little overview of how I felt about doing a full day in these shoes. So let's go into it. Alright y'all, so let's chat. I am back from my graduation trip. I wore the shoes and let's talk about it, okay? I was in Texas for my graduation and my foot definitely sweated in these shoes. I wasn't like sliding out of them, thank God, but being that the whole inside is leather, I was sweating. I did have to do a lot of walking. The graduation was at NRG Stadium, and from where we parked to the stadium, walking around the stadium, it was a ton of walking and my feet didn't hurt, thank God. These shoes were pretty comfortable for me and I like that they are slides, so I can just slip in and out of them whenever I need to. I was sitting at the graduation literally for an hour and a half, so I definitely needed that time to slip out of these shoes if necessary. But overall, I did not get the shoes dirty. As you can see, still clean, still looking good. Even the bottom is not that dirty. I was watching out for my shoes. They're just so comfortable. I really do like them. And I haven't worn them since the graduation, and it's been about 2 weeks. I miss these shoes. I love these shoes so much. Yeah, so I'd say they're pretty comfortable for a full day of walking. I went out to dinner. I walked around our hotel a little bit and everything was fine. I really do love them. I was able to keep them clean all day. My feet didn't hurt after wearing them. After a while, my feet did stop sweating. So once I was in the air conditioner, so that's great. Overall, I would recommend these shoes. They were worth the money. I'm so glad I went ahead and purchased these. Next, I might need some tennis shoes, but we'll think about that. Okay, I love Crocs and slipping shoes more than I love tennis shoes, so these were a very good purchase for me. I would say go ahead and just bite the bullet. Go ahead and give these shoes a shot. I've been trying to recommend my mom to get a pair of Coach shoes because it's definitely worth it. These are way more comfortable than their tennis shoes for sure. I tried those on at Dillard's and it did not work for me. So I'm so glad I got this purchase. If you guys are interested in these shoes and have any questions about fit, wear, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Or if you have Coach shoes and you have a good experience or a bad experience with them, go ahead and comment that too. I'll see you guys in my next video.